Good evening, good morning, everyone. So, today we start potential, electric potential, and we already know electric potential, and we just know the definition, and on the basis of that definition, we just find out the one numerical. So, first you give the heading electric potential at axial position. Electric potential at axial position. Same like electric field, you can find out electric potential at axial position. Done, everyone? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Electric potential at axial position. So suppose we have a dipole. So this is the origin. This distance is L. This distance is L. P is the point which is at a distance R from this charge particle. This one is positively charged. This one is negatively charged. That distance is R minus L. That distance is R plus L. And we want to find out the net potential at P. As we know, potential is a scalar vector. So net potential at P means axial position, or you can write net potential at X. X is the axial and P is the axial, P is the potential P. That is potential due to plus charge plus potential due to. Now, if we take common 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught for the positive charge, that distance is R minus L, because we know potential. The formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon. The sign is negative, so we write minus Q by R plus L. So now what happened? We can take Q common. So Q by, if we take 4 pi epsilon naught common, we have 1 by R minus L. And here you have a minus sign. So one thing we have to note during that for potential, you have to put the plus sign to plus sign, minus sign to minus sign. Why? Because potential is a scalar quantity, and it is better you can note down also. So 1 by R plus L. Is it okay, everyone? Now see from here what we can write. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here R square minus L square. And here you have R plus L minus R minus L. So Vx Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. That R cancel. This is 2L by R square minus L square. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q into 2L is P by R square minus L square. If R is greater than L, if R is greater than L, we can neglect L square as compared to R square. You can write it. If R is greater than L, we can neglect L square with compared to R square. So potential is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square. And as dipole potential is a scalar quantity, so we don't put any arrow on the head. Is it okay, everyone? Is it okay? हाँ आवाज बड़ी धीरे धीरे आ रहा है। दिया दिया বুঝতে পারলি? বুঝতে পারছিস? কি করব বল, আমার কি ভালো লাগে এইভাবে পড়াতে, কিন্তু করোনা এত ভয় দেখাচ্ছে। কাটিহারে আমার ফ্যামিলির সবার করোনা হয়ে গেছে জানিস। কাকু খালি টেস্ট করায়নি, কাকিমার করোনা, দাদার করোনা, বৌদির করোনা, বৌদির শাশুড়ির, বুঝছিস?
सर थोड़ा
ও,
साइड पर
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। हेलो, am I audible?
यस
Hello?
सर
Next, write down electric potential at equatorial position.
दाराओ
হয়নি?
না স্যার দেরি করে জয়েন করছি।
ও, কংগ্রাচুলেশন। কোথায় লিখেছিস বল, কোন লাইনটাতে আছিস? এটা হয়ে গেছে?
ওই যে হ্যাঁ ওই দিকটা হয়ে আসছে।
q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r minus l minus 1 by r plus l.
স্যার কোনটা আগে লিখবো, বাঁ দিকেরটা নাকি ডান দিকেরটা?
আগে এটা লিখবি, তারপর এটা লিখবি।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, হয়ে গেছে।
স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নে না, আগে এটা লিখবি তারপর এটা।
স্যার
হুম
স্যার বলছি ওই স্টেপে আছে না কিউ ইন্টু 2l করলে আমরা পি পাচ্ছি স্যার, ওই চার্জ ইন্টু
হুম।
লেন্থ।
হুম
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে স্যার।
dipole moment p equals to q into 2l.
ওকে স্যার।
হ্যাঁ স্যার হয়ে গেছে।
ধন্যবাদ ধন্যবাদ ধন্যবাদ। Now write down electric potential due to electric dipole at equatorial position. I repeat, electric potential due to electric dipole at equatorial position. So this one is my equatorial position. This one is my equatorial position. This is the center origin. This length is L. This length is L. And this point is P, which is at a distance R. So what we can say, this is plus Q, this is minus Q. So from this line and from this line, this distance are exactly same, R square plus L square, R square plus L square. Is it okay, everyone? Can we write this?
Yes, sir.
So electric potential at P, that is potential due to plus charge plus potential due to minus charge, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus L square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by R square plus L square. So what you have? 0. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by that? That means electric potential at the equatorial position is 0. At any position, try to understand, huh? Any position. Is it okay? Because all are the same distance, right? On the equatorial line. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is okay, now so that means you have to remember that on the equatorial line, your net potential is 0. So examiner can give you question like this: ki work done, that is change in potential, and you know potential, change in potential energy, and you know potential is potential energy by charge particle. So what do you mean by potential energy? Charge into voltage. Can we write this? That part is okay.
Yes, sir.
Definition of potential is potential energy per unit charge particle. So potential energy is charge particle into voltage. So here you can write final minus initial. So you can write charge voltage final minus voltage initial. Can we write this?
স্যার ওই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের বেসে ওটাকে কিউ আর জিরো
একটা প্লাস একটা মাইনাস নেট জিরো হবে না?
আচ্ছা না না স্যার ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটার বেসে আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ
এটা 0 0.
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
Everyone, is it okay? You understand that part? Everyone, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So write a numerical. Write a numerical. Electric dipole. An electric dipole of dipole moment. An electric dipole of dipole moment. 2 microcoulomb meter dipole moment. 2 microcoulomb meter. A charge 4 microcoulomb. A charge 4 microcoulomb moves from origin to the dipole to a point P, which is
So move from the origin.
moves from the origin, okay, of the dipole to a point, okay. Hello.
Sir,
Yes,
from origin through
To a point P, 0,2 meter. লিখলি? ঠিক আছে?
Yes, sir.
0,2 meter. Now the question is find work done by the process. Find work done by the process. So basically what happened, they given you a dipole.
So work done
By the process. Find the work done by the process. See, this one is my dipole. So what do you mean by origin? This is my origin. Is it okay? Is it okay? And we move from here to a point P. What is the coordinate 0,2? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
So in which line we are moving? In which line we are moving? Axial or equatorial?
Sir, equatorial.
Equatorial. And how much charge we can move here? From here to here, Q charge. What is the value of this Q charge? This one. Okay. And dipole moment is given how much? 2 microcoulomb meter. So for dipole moment, we know we have oppositely charged. One is positive, one is negative, equal magnitude. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Sir, can you repeat?
अरे डाइपोल के लिए क्या होगा? डाइपोल के लिए तुम्हारा ऑपोजिट चार्ज का होना जरूरी है ना, इक्वल मैग्नीट्यूड एंड ऑपोजिट नेचर.
Yes, sir.
So that means it's a clearly the indication of a equatorial movement of a.
हाँ sir.
तो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इक्वेटोरियल पॉइंट पे क्या होता है?
0.
So we can write work done equals to del u final minus initial q. This now q is given, but the final point and initial point is 0. So it doesn't matter whatever be the charge particle you move, the answer is 0.
Okay, sir.
Everyone, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next point is very, very important. Next point is very, very important. Write down equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. Okay. Write down equipotential surface. Write down equipotential surface are those surface. Equipotential surface are those surface throughout which potential remain constant. Equipotential surface are those surface throughout which potential remain constant. Done? Done? Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now write down
The
properties
potential
of.
remain constant.
Yes. Potential remain constant. Now write down properties of equipotential surface. Properties of equipotential surface. लिखा? Hello.
Yes, sir.
देखो first property. Throughout the surface, electric field always. Throughout the surface, electric field. एक मिनट. First property लिखो. I'm sorry. लिखो first property. Throughout the surface, potential remain constant. लिखा? Hello. First point पे लिखो. Throughout the surface, potential remain constant. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now write down the second point. Second point. Electric field always normal to the equipotential surface. Electric field always normal to the equipotential surface. So see what happened. Suppose this one is your plus charge, and you can imagine a equipotential surface. Actually, all the Gaussian surfaces are equipotential surface. So suppose this one 20 volt and this one is 10 volt. Try to understand. Equipotential surface or surface throughout which potential remain constant. So in this surface, if you move from a point to another point, your potential remain constant. Is it clear? Same potential throughout the surface. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ভালো করে বোঝ, এই পুরো সারফেসটার মধ্যে पोटेंशियल कांस्टेंट, এই পুরো সারফেসের মধ্যে पोटेंशियल कांस्टेंट, ये पूरा सरफेस में कहीं पे भी जाओ सेम पोटेंशियल, इस पूरा सरफेस में कहीं पे भी जाओ सेम पोटेंशियल. दैट्स व्हाई द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज थ्रूआउट द सरफेस पोटेंशियल रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. सेकंड पॉइंट इज दैट
সারফেসটার মধ্যে যে কোনো জায়গায়
যে কোনো জায়গায় ওই একই সারফেসে, আলাদা সারফেস হলে তো আলাদা হয়ে গেল, সেম সারফেসে ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে,
Yes, sir.
আরে হ্যাঁ না তো বল। হ্যাঁ, নেক্সট ইজ ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড। ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড always normal to the equipotential surface. Is it okay? Is it okay? देखो,
No, sir.
electric field normal to the equipotential surface. So if you want to draw, you can draw it. If you want to draw, you can draw it. Third point, लिखो. If we move from one point to another point, if we move from one point to another point, if we move from one point to another point, in same
At a third
equipotential
property.
third property, if we move from one point to another point in same equipotential surface, in same equipotential surface, if you move from one point to another point in same equipotential surface, work done is zero. लिखा, work done is zero. Hello, अब खुद ही देखो. Suppose we move from A point to B point. So first of all, can we say कि potential of A and potential of B equal because we are moving in the same equipotential surface? Can we say that? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what about the work done? Work done is charge into change in voltage A to B, money B minus A. Because of the same potential, can we say zero? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so note down. Next point, all Gaussian surfaces are equipotential surface. All Gaussian surfaces are equipotential surface. Or all Gaussian surfaces are equipotential surface. Done? Done, everyone? Hello, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
equipotential, all Gaussian surfaces are equipotential surface. Next, write down. Next, write down. Draw equipotential surface. These are 1 marks question, very important for your board exam. Draw equipotential surface. Draw. Done. हो गया?
Yes.
Number 1 for point charge. 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 So if you have point charge and these are the equipotential surface, and we know electric field always normal. So these are the electric field. So what we can say, these are the equipotential surface. And these are electric field. Okay. लिखा? Next,
Yes,
write
sir.
down. Next, write down. Number 2 for line charge. 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 So how you draw the equipotential surface for line charge? So you have line charge lambda, and for line charge your Gaussian surface is cylindrical, as I already mentioned you. Okay, all Gaussian surface are your equipotential surface. So these are your equipotential surface. And these are your electric field normal to the surface. Done? Next. Right? Right, Urbina. Next is next write down, draw equipotential surface for uniform electric field. Draw equipotential surface, which you already write it. So write for uniform electric field. Is it okay? Done, everyone? Hello? Hello?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
So write,
ফার্স্টেরটা কি বললা, মানে এরপরটা কি বললা?
draw equipotential surface for uniform electric field. Very, very important. Draw equipotential surface for uniform electric field. So by using a slab or sheet, you can create uniform electric field. Is it okay? Is it okay? Nandita? 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 নন্দিতা, আরে কোথায়? डन? अच्छा, इसमें क्या है? These are the electric field and these are the equipotential surface. So these are the equipotential. Okay. Done, everyone? Hello? Hello?
না
Yes,
স্যার
sir.
করছি।
হয়ে গেছে লেখা?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Next, write down for electric dipole. Next, write down for electric dipole. for electric dipole. So for dipole, you have a plus charge, you have a minus charge, and the direction of electric field from plus to minus. Am I audible, everyone? Hello?
So
Yes,
please
sir.
repeat করো তো একবার।
Yes, sir.
Are the direction of electric field from plus to minus?
না না স্যার,
And-
এটা কি টপিকটা জিজ্ঞেস করো।
Dipole, electric potential, equipotential surface for dipole. So these are the equipotential surface. But don't intersect, huh? Okay. Equipotential surface.
এই যে স্যার পাশের বাড়িতে অ্যাম্বুলেন্স আসছে করোনা পেশেন্ট ধরতে। বাইরে হবই না আমি।
মানে করোনা পেশেন্ট ধরতে?
হ্যাঁ নিয়ে বাবা তো বলে বেডই নেই।
চল 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 দেখতাছি দেখ। আমার বাড়ির সবার করোনা পজিটিভ হয়ে গেছে।
তোমার হয় নাই?
হয়ে গেছে? না না, আমার বাড়ি মানে কাঠিয়ারে, আমি তো কাঠিয়ার
আচ্ছা।
যাইনি অনেকদিন।
ও
এখনো তো হয়নি ভগবানের দয়ায়। দেখো, নেক্সট হেডিং, রিলেশন বিটুইন ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড অ্যান্ড ইলেকট্রিক পোটেনশিয়াল। Relation between electric field and electric potential. Done? Relation between electric field and electric potential. হয়ে গেল heading? Is it okay? Relation between electric field and electric potential. আচ্ছা, লিখছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes, sir.
we know work done dW, that is F dot dr. F force, that is charge into electric field. So dW, that is QE dr. We also know du is minus dW, which is minus QE dr. Is it okay? Is it okay? So dV, that is du by Q, that is minus QE dot dr by Q. So dV equals to minus E dot dr, which is a very, very important relation. And from that, we can say electric field is minus dV by dr. N cap. Why N cap? Because electric field is a vector quantity. So these two are very, very important relations. Just note down. ঠিক আছে, এখানে নেগেটিভ সাইন, তার মানে কি ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড এন্ড ইলেকট্রিক পোটেনশিয়াল, দেন নেগেটিভ, এখানে নেগেটিভ সাইন থাকবে, সেই জন্যই তো নর্মাল টু দ্য সারফেস। ঠিক আছে, সো আচ্ছা, ওয়ান মোর থিং, by using the same relation you can prove one more thing also, the relation between force and electric potential. See, if you don't use this formula, so what happened? dW is F dot dr, du minus dW, that is minus F dot dr. So F, that is minus du by dr, n cap, one formula, and the second one is du is minus f dot dr. So they can ask you in terms of this force and potential also. They can ask you in terms of electric field and potential also. Is it okay, everyone? Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. So,
Okay. If it is okay, now write a numerical, which is very, very important. Question. Question number 1. Electric field is given 2xi minus j plus 3z square k volt per meter. Potential at the origin is 10 volt. Find the potential at point P equals to -2, 1, -1 meter. I give you 3 minutes for that, 3 to 4 minutes. What a couple answer? Hello. কত হলো? Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Hello. আমাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছিস?
yes, sir.
Sir,
আনসার কত আসছে? আনসার কত আসছে? দেখো, how can you solve this type of question? Okay. So what we find, what we want electric potential. So the formula is dv equals to minus E dot dr, and dr is a vector because here you have x, y, and z. So r is a position vector which you have x-axis, y-axis, as well as z-axis. So what do you mean by dr? There is a very small part of x, very small part of y, very small part of z. So basically what happened, minus e is 2xi minus j plus 3z square k dot dr is actually dxi dyj dzk. So what happened, I1, so you have 2x dx minus minus plus jj1 dy minus 3z squared dz. Is it okay, everyone? I cancel, jj cancel, kk cancel. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So now as 2x dx plus dy minus 3z squared dz. So now to find out the total potential, taking integration both sides, minus 2x dx plus dy minus 3z squared dz. Now see, what do you mean by origin? 0, 0, 0. And what do you mean by this one? So this is the x coordinate, 0 to -2, y coordinate, 0 to 1, z coordinate, 0 to -1. When you are in the 0 origin, your potential is 10 volt, and at the point P, you have to find out the potential. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So we know very how to find out this integration. It's a very simple integration. V 10 Vp minus 2 x, the power is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, 0 to minus 2 plus y 0 to 1 minus 3 z cube by 3, 0 to minus 1. So what you have, 2 cancel, 3 cancel. So you have minus 2 square minus 0 plus 1 minus 0 minus 1 cube minus 0. So what you have, ये हो गया minus 4 plus 1 minus 1. Am I right? This one is plus 1 and this one is minus plus, sorry. So you have minus 2. Is it okay? So what is your volt? So see, here you can write upper minus lower. So Vp is minus 2 plus 10. That is 8 volt. Okay, everyone.